For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all of its companions type phones with One UI 6.1 or 6.11. I'm not even sure if that's really out yet or not. I think it is with some phones, but any Samsung device I know has this, so your S22, 23, 24, and tablet. And what I want this video to be about is the ability for you to stop a brute force hack on your phone. Okay, so what's a brute force hack? It is a governmental, normally, hack where they will take your phone and they will go and put it up, hook it up to a machine, and it'll put in, and this is just in simplistic terms, this is a layman quick explanation, it'll put in a 1 for password. It'll put in a 1, that doesn't work, it goes to a 2, that doesn't work, it goes to a 3, etc., 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 until it finds the correct password. And that's how they get into your phone, is with a brute force attack. And it's really a simplistic way to get around it. I personally, until I saw some other information on this, I didn't want this setting on because I thought to myself, well, if I don't do my setting correctly in my password, I'll have problems. But I'm getting ahead of myself, so let's get into this first, how we do this. So you want to go into your settings and go to, okay, where do we go? Lock screen and AOD, always on display. Then you go under secure lock settings, and then you type in your password or your whatever you have, and turn this on, auto factory reset. So after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to the factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So I know what you're thinking, the same thing I was thinking. I don't want to turn that on, because what if I do? Well, if you have to go through your password 20 times, you probably shouldn't have your phone. I usually at most could make, well, oops, I made a mistake there. Oops, I made another mistake, maybe 2 or 3 times, but not 20. And the reason is why they said it that way was because a brute force hack will continue to go through until it finds the numbers. So it could be 20 million, and eventually it's going to, under the laws of probability, it's going to get your password. So with this set, I seriously doubt they're going to be, it's possible, it's very possible, but it's super rare that anybody would be able to brute force your phone and get it within 20 tries, unless you're dumb and you put something like 0000 or something like that as your password. So, but you don't want that. But that's a good way to stop any kind of brute force, whether it be someone else or a governmental entity trying to take your phone and brute force it. That's how they do it. That's how you can stop it. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.